Today we have the 2019 Ford Fiesta ST in red. It's a 1.5 litre petrol engine with a manual transmission making 200 PS. Being the ST, it does come with these Recaro bucket seats from the factory. We've also got the Ford Performance styling all over and a nice bit of ST on the steering wheel. We've got cruise control, multimedia controls. We've got a built-in navigation system as well as Apple CarPlay and a reverse camera with rear parking sensors. Air conditioning and a full winter pack with heated seats, a heated steering wheel and a heated windscreen. As you can see, we've got normal, sport and racetrack mode for racetrack use only. This vehicle's done just over 60,000 miles. For any more information, have a look on our website or give us a call.